Hello everyone, this is my video on how to make notes by PowerPoint presentation. So first I'm gonna open PowerPoint. There you go. And I'm gonna open a blank presentation. There you go. So the topic will be universe. There you go. So this is the new thing Microsoft has added for PowerPoint, which is design ideas. So this helps one to select some new and exclusive titles, pages or designs for their presentation. So see more. There you go. So I'm checking. So I can go to design, and so there's nothing. Not this. That's too flowery. Neither this. So there are not many good. So let's check more. If you don't find any, then you can just do Ctrl Z, and there you go. And now you can format it by yourself by format background. So I will talk about these features in the next tutorial and how to make pretty presentations or which will look good. So for now we can, so it has given some ideas. So I'll do this looks nice, or this. Yeah, this looks better, and it's a GIF, so even better. There you go. The universe has. So first I'll write intro. So I would prefer you all to use the format of a story which has intro, middle and end. So I will just write intro, or it's your choice. You can also put any nice headings like what is universe. There you go. And question mark. So here you can add text. Microsoft PowerPoint gives bullets in accordance to the design, so you can also change that. So for adding a different bullets, you can just go to home tab where I am already, and then you can go to the paragraph option where there will be the place of bullets. So we can add the desired bullets. So I like the normal bullet, so I'm gonna keep this only. So now I'm gonna write what is universe. So it is the place where we live, because we are in the universe. So yeah, and you can also change the different font and color, which I talked about in the last video on intermediate tips on PowerPoint presentation. You can check that on YouTube. So for adding new slide, I told you. So just recapping, new right click and new slide. There you go. So now I'm gonna show you how to graphically make your presentation look nice. So I'm gonna talk about Saturn, because it's one of the best, one of the most prettiest planet, and it would be good for a presentation. So I'll go to insert and then do 3D models, which will show the 3D model of Saturn. There you go. So I'll just click on this and do insert. Click on insert. So it's inserting. Yes, now it has inserted. I'll just zoom it a bit. There you go, and a bit smaller. It's taking the whole page. Yeah. So for changing the angle of view, so or the viewpoint you can say in physics. You can change via middle box, so like this. So for hiding the rings you can just do 0 degrees like this, but you have to be very accurate, or for showing you can do like this. So I'm gonna so for this the draw tab is very important. You can go to draw and just label the parts of the ring or the kind of the north pole, south pole. So I'm gonna go with the poles. So make a line, arrow, and write north. Oops. Yeah. So I'm gonna write north pole. There you go. And then at the bottom you can write south pole. There you go. So this is all you can do with draw. It's just for drawing and for labeling things. And you can also change the, as I told you, so for clicking on Saturn on this 3D figure you can just go to here and click with your cursor. Wait, first go to select, then do this. Yeah, so you can go to format 3D model tools. It will show you in 2019 PPT. There you go. So you can also go to 3D models to add more or reset 3D model. So I don't want any of this, so I'll just go to this is for the angle movement. So this looks nice. It will just show the south pole, and if you want to do like this, to show the north pole. So the draw is very nice for these kind of things. So I'll just go to normal view. Wait, there you go. Now I'm gonna show you one more thing you can do. That first I will add just new slide and just make a title states. States of matter I have given because it's good for the tutorial, like what I want to explain to you, and it's also present in the universe. Obviously we are made of matter. So now I'll go to insert and go to smart art. So this helps in graphically showing different kind of processes. So I'll go to process space. Now I'll select this one. There you go. So now you can click on the box for adding text. So I'll just write solid. So you would be thinking why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because I'm solid. When solid is heated it gives liquid, and when liquid is heated it turns into gas. And like it's also the other way around. When gas is freeze it becomes liquid, and when liquid is freeze it becomes solid. And at last you can, so always remember you have to put your write or type on your notes in summary form so that you remember the content more easily. And last you have to, like you can do like a cover page where you can say thank you for watching, or if you are forgetful like me you can just write go through the notes, or in this case this is a presentation So I can write presentation or notes. It's your choice. You can do either one of them or both. And like if you want on presentation purposes, like for showing someone, you can just write thanks or thank you for watching my press. So press or your press, just for presentation. You can just write the whole thing. Full stop. There you go. And you can also add a nice emoji by the 3D effects and 3D models. So I can just go there and go to emoji. So they are very nice emojis. I'm gonna choose this one. This looks nice. So thank you for watching my video, and please like, subscribe and hit the notification bells.